corner where the light softly glows. There's a workshop humming where the sawdust flows. Dan's at the helm with exotic wood in hand, crafting dreams from cedar, maple, and sand. In these uncanny environments, magic's in the air. Meet your neighbor, find the beauty so rare. Furniture grand, toys that scream. Dan's got the groove, it's a neighborhood thing. In these uncanny environments, magic's in the air. Meet your neighbor, find the beauty so rare. Furniture grand, toys that spring. Dan's got the groove, it's a neighborhood thing. Jamie wanders by with a curious gaze into Dan's workshop where the wood grain plays. Tables, chairs, and wooden joys, each piece a rhythm crafted with poise. In these uncanny environments, magic's in the air. Meet your neighbor, find the beauty so rare. Furniture grand, toys that spring. Dan's got the groove, it's a neighborhood thing. In these uncanny environments, magic's in the air. Meet your neighbor, find the beauty so rare. Furniture grand, toys that spring. Dan's got the groove, it's a neighborhood thing. Sawing, sanding, the rhythm of the day. Wood comes alive in a dance that sways. Neighbors unite in wooden joys, each piece a rhythm crafted with poise. In these uncanny environments, magic's in the air. Meet your neighbor, find the beauty so rare. Furniture grand, toys that spring. Dan's got the groove, it's a neighborhood thing. In these uncanny environments, magic's in the air. Meet your neighbor, find the beauty so rare. Furniture grand, toys that spring. Dan's got the groove, it's a neighborhood thing.